Yeah, that's good shooting. Nice. Oh yeah.
I think so.
Baretta.
Yeah, right. Well, you want to wait?
Smith & West M&P 40. So, Michael,
Yes, sir.
you tried the Glock,
Yes.
but have you tried the CHOC?
I have not tried the CHOC. What
I
are
want you
doing
to try
now?
the CHOC.
Oh,
You tried
my
Smith
God.
& Wesson, you tried 2 Glocks, but now you get to try the CHOC.
Now,
Tell me
this
what
is the
you think
way-
about the CHOC.
After a fine afternoon of shooting,
Yeah.
what better way?
What better way?
What better way to celebrate
Uh-huh.
our American liberties?
That's right.
Bang, bang.
Is this your favorite of the 4 guns
This is
we've
my
got
favorite.
today?
Yes, because I'm eating my way skinny.
There you are.
Yes.
Finish
My
chocolate.
chocolate diet. Fitness CHOC.
Some people call this cacao pow pow for short. Oh, what do you think?
Mm-hmm.
You like the CHOC?
I love the CHOC.
Is that your favorite of the guns we tried today?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, buddy.
Chalking it up to American liberty.
Bang, bang.
Boom.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Bev, you kind of had the Charlie's Angel thing going in